Okay, question 46. Which one of the following statement is wrong? We have to select which one is wrong. A 1000.64, that's in radix 8. Then 1000.1101, that's in radix 2. Then 512.512, nothing is given. 4022.224, that is in radix 5. Then C option 2202 radix 6, 426 radix 11, 0.23 radix 4, 0.1011 radix 2. A, B, C, D are the options. So it's a easy question, but it takes time, you can see that. So first we will check these two guys, A and D, whether they are true or not, because they are easier. So since they are in radix 8, so they will require only 3 bits. If you want to convert into binary, so each number will take 3 bits. So we can change it to 001, 000, 000, 00, 00. 6 will be 4, 5, 6, and 4 will be this. Okay, so this part is 1, this part is 0, this part is 0, 0, this part is 6, this part is 4 point. Okay, so 1000. Just I have represented this into binary form. Now if you will compare these two, they are exactly same. This from here to here. Okay, this part is given here, so you can say that this is a correct relation. Okay, now if you see in the same manner D part, so D part will take only 2 bits, so this can be written as 00, 10, then 11. So this is 0, this is 2, this is 3. Okay, so now this is represented in binary. So if you will compare this and this, they are exactly similar, so option D is also correct. Now out of option B and C, I'll choose these guys since it is easier. So if I'll convert into decimal, this term in decimal, so it will look like 6 to the power 0 into 2 plus 6 to the power 0, 6 to the power 1 into 0, then plus 6 to the power 2 into 2 plus 6 to the power 3 into 2. 6 to the power 0 into 2, 6 to the power 1 into 0, 6 to the power 2 into 2, 6 to the power 3 into 2. Okay, so this will be 2 plus 0, 36 into 2 plus 216 into 2. Okay, so this will total will come out to be 506. So that's in decimal. Now we want in radix 11. So what I'll do is divide this by 11 and we will see the remainder. So 11 4s are 44, remainder is 6, 6. So 6 are 11, 6 are 66. So this is perfectly divisible. So remainder is 0. Then 11 4s are 44 and remainder will be 2. After that you can't divide, so this will be the representation in radix 11. So you can see this is 420 and it is written 426, means this is the wrong relation which is being asked here. So this should be the answer. Okay, now just for your sake we'll check B as well. So B, it is not given anything, so we are considering radix 10, means decimal number, that's in decimal representation. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll convert this into decimal and we will look at it. So if you will convert this into decimal, so 2 into 5 to the power 0 plus 2 into 5 to the power 1 plus 0 into 5 to the power 3 plus 4 into 5 to the power 4 plus, so this is these 4 guys plus, now this guy is 5 inverse into 2 plus 5 inverse into 2, sorry 5 2 to the power minus 2. Okay, plus 5 to the power minus 3 into 4. Okay, so this will be gone because of 0. Okay, this is 1, so 2 plus 5 to the 10 plus 5 to the power 4 into 4 plus 2 by 5 plus 2 by 25 plus 4 by 125. Okay, so this will be the resultant, and 5 to the power 4 is 5 to the power 4 is 625 plus 10 plus 2. Sorry, I guess I have made a mistake. 0 1 2 3. Okay, 0 1 2, so this should be 2, this should be 3. Okay, so this will be gone 5 cube, so this will come out to be 5 cube. 5 cube is 125 into 4, which is 100 plus 25 into 4, which is 400 plus 100. So this will come out to be 500. So this is 500 plus 2 by 5 plus 2 by 25 plus 4 by 125. So if you will see, this comes out to be 5112. So we are going correct. So this is 5112 plus, if you will take common, if you will solve these guys, 25 into 2 plus 2 into 5 divided by 125 plus 4 divided by 125. So if you will see, this is 50 plus 10, that is 60 plus 4, 64 divided by 125. Okay, so this is, and this will come out to be 0.512 if you will solve. So total is coming out to be 512.512. That's in decimal. So this is correct relation. Okay, so the only wrong relation is C, so the answer is C. Okay.